All right, that was just my phyllo dough. Now I'm gonna come in with my melted butter and my little butter brush, and we are gonna drench our dough in that delicious salted butter for this easy holiday dessert. This is so easy, but it's gonna look so impressive. You're gonna wanna make this for your holiday party, Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, New Year's. It is honestly such a delicious and easy treat. I really think that you'll probably want to make it all year round because it is so yummy. All right, let's get butter on each of our little phyllo dough cups. Once our butter is on there, we're gonna grab some cinnamon and we're gonna go heavy-handed with the cinnamon. We wanna make sure there's a lot of flavor in these because this is a lot of dough. We did 1 sheet per cup and we did grease our muffin tin. Oh my goodness, these are just so festive, and what is more festive than cinnamon? All right, that looks perfect. Now for our nuts, we are gonna do some pistachios, but you could also do some walnuts. And we're gonna add a couple of our pistachios right on top. Nothing crazy. I'm gonna kind of use my hands to make this a little bit easier. But we just want about 5 or 6 pistachios, or you can go a little crazy. That's why we kind of stuffed those in there so that we had a little crevice for those pistachios to fall into. But this is gonna be so yummy. I love pistachio flavor. I just think it also is very festive. And we're just gonna go ahead and add our pistachios in there. And you can dice these up a little bit more if you want, but I'm lazy, and who doesn't love a whole pistachio?
I do.
All right, and this is completely optional, but I kind of wanted to add some red with that green. So we're adding our craisins, which are just dried cranberries, and we're adding that right on top with our pistachios. And now we have our red and green on our beautiful festive dessert. Oh my goodness, these are gonna be so tasty, but we're not done yet. We do have a fun and exciting little next step that will really pull all of these flavors together and kind of give you a hint of what holiday dish we are making. So let's go ahead and get our craisins all on here. All right, now these are ready for the oven. My oven is set to 350, and we're gonna put these in there until they're nice and crispy. While the phyllo dough is in the oven, I'm gonna grab 1/4 a cup of white sugar on medium-high heat. We're gonna add 1/2 cup of honey. Beautiful. And then 1/4 a cup of water. Beautiful. Grab our whisk and mix this all together. Oh yeah, this looks absolutely delicious. Now that that's all mixed together, we're gonna let this simmer for about 6 minutes. All right, it's been 6 minutes and we've been stirring it occasionally. It's thickened up a little bit, so now we can take it off the heat until our phyllo dough is ready. All right, our baklava cups are ready. Oh my gosh, that cinnamon smells absolutely incredible. And we have our honey syrup right here that we're gonna use right on top. We're just gonna grab a spoon and douse our little cups in our delicious sugar honey syrup, just like so that it can be a true baklava. And I'm so excited to give these a try. So let's get these all coated in our syrup. Oh my goodness, it looks so good.
Yum.
All right, moment of truth. These look so good. Okay, let's go ahead and pop one out. Oh yeah, they're gonna be hot, and that cranberry, we already lost it. And they pop right out because we greased that pan. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to dig in. It's sticky and crunchy at the same time.
Is it good?